Morning, YouTube. How's it going? ZML with ZML Exterior Home Care, baby. We out this morning. We got to get some yard work done. We got to burn up some brush piles in the 16-foot dump trailer so we can get prepared for our next job. We're just doing some miscellaneous stuff here around the laydown yard. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. All right, guys, this is where we at now. We got almost all the debris burnt up here. It started getting warmer a lot faster than I thought today, so I really couldn't get no footage. I had to do some fire management with the water hose, but the wind has slowed down, and we're about finished here. So yeah, normally I burn all my clippings and all my debris and brush from my tree jobs Normally I do it over there in the laydown yard, but today just want to do it over here in this pit, dig it a little deep, and you know, it's a lot safer that way. But yeah, so we about got all this stuff done, guys. We still got some debris and stuff here on the ground. I'm picking out a few pieces that I'm keeping for firewood. I'm on the well system, so we got the water hose over there just running. But yeah, all this pine and stuff will be burning up. But there's some good red oaks in there, logs that I'll be keeping. As you see, a lot of cedar in here as well. That cedar smells so good when it burns. All right, so this chore's done. We got all the wood out of the dump trailer burnt. You see it's still smoldering some here. This is the phase that I really like. The fire is extremely hot, but it's burning extremely slow due to the excessive amount of coals. Whenever you got the limbs and leaves everywhere, the fire just gets so big, but I like this stage here. Next, we'll be going over here. We'll be soft washing the dump trailer, get it clean. We'll be using the 12 bolt from the pressure washing trailer there. I got the buffer tank now filling up. I'm gonna go ahead and apply water and soap to the trailer. Let that sit for a little while. Come back with the rest, baby. Don't want to put too much pressure because I already took some of my stickers off. All right, so we went there and washed the pressure washing trailer as well. Not a lot of dust off it. Went there and cleaned out the chute on the Mad Max chipper to get that buildup out. So we had a lot of fun today, guys. I mean, we started off good with burning wood. After we got that done safely, we went there and washed the dump trailer, washed the tractor, cleaned the pressure washer, cleaned out the chute on the Mad Max. That seems like a very productive day to me. Hey guys, this is ZML with ZML Exterior Home Care. We specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. And until next time, have a good one.